Hello, Education 555. I hope that your summer is going really well. I'm currently recording from a cabin up here in northern Minnesota with my wife's family for the week. So I hope that you are also having a chance to get some relaxation in this summer and a little time to refresh before we head back to the school year. First, one thing I want to say is thank you for the work on your vision, mission, and creeds for this last week, Module 1. Keep track of those because you'll be using them as a lens for the rest of the week, or the rest of the course, I should say. You'll be able to analyze current issues and trends through that vision, mission, and creed. What do you believe and why do you believe it? Several assignments coming up will have you using that creed and your vision and mission, so keep track of that. All right, let's check out Module 2 as we head here. Module 2 is all about contextual development. This week's essential questions: what does School 2.0 look like and how should it compare to your school? We're going to check out our first book here with the required reading. We're going to look at the first part of Building School 2.0. You're going to read pages 1 to 156. It may seem like a lot of reading, but it really goes by pretty fast because of how the book is written. I think that you'll enjoy all the different pieces of the book as well. So please read that first section of Building 2.0. And there are some additional resources here. I put some interviews with the authors if you'd like to check them out. These are optional resources, totally up to you if you'd like to check them out. They are there for your use. 2.1. All right, now that you've read the first part of Building School 2.0, how to create the schools we need, what do you think? What points are resonating with you? What points do you disagree with? Make sure that your first post is done by Wednesday at midnight and that it includes at least one reference in APA format. You don't need to put a citation at the end because my assumption is you're using a reference from the book, so that's okay. So your first post is due by Wednesday at midnight, responses to two others by Sunday at midnight. So just what is your general thoughts as you go through the first part of the book? And then discussion 2.2, you're going to pick one of the 95 ideas that are presented. With that in mind, you're going to answer these questions. Again, an APA formatted reference. You don't need a citation. Your post is due by Wednesday at midnight and responses to two others by Sunday at midnight. And then questions anyone is a spot for, do you have anything that I could help you with, or maybe somebody else could help you with as well. So that's Module 2, everybody. Have a great week.